Question number 10. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection of line segment AB with A having coordinate 2, 7 and B having coordinate -4, 8. Consider that there is a segment AB having endpoints 2, 7, which is written here 2, 7 and -4, 8 are the coordinates of this point B. Let us consider that this is x1 and y1 and this is x2 and y2. The coordinate of the point of trisection means we have to divide this segment AB in 3 equal parts. Therefore, we are dividing at point C and at point D, and after dividing at point C and D we get 3 equal parts, that is AC equals to, that is CD is equals to this DB, and all parts are equal. Therefore, consider X as equal part. Now we have to find the values of this x3, y3 and x4, y4 means coordinates of this point C and coordinate of point D. Now in the solution part, write AC is equals to CD equals to DB is equals to X. Write down the solution, draw the diagram and label the points as given below, and AC equals to CD equals to DB is equals to X. So let us consider the ratio, that is AC divided by this CB. Now this AC divided by CB can be written as AC divided by CB. CB is nothing but this C and this B distance, that is CD plus DB, that is CD plus DB is equals to the value of this AC is equals to CD is equals to DB is equals to X. I am putting X instead of this AC. Divided by CD is also X plus DB is also X, that is X divided by twice of, that is 1/2 is the ratio. That is, now the point C, this point C is dividing the segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Therefore 1 is the value of this M and 2 the value of 2, that is N. We know the section formula. By using the section formula we can easily find out x3 and y3. x3 can be calculated, that x3 will be equals to M into this x2 plus N into x1 divided by M plus N. Now this, that is 1 M, the value of M is here 1 into the value of x2 is here minus of 4 plus the value of N is here 2, the value of 2, that is value of N. x1 is here 2 divided by this M plus N, that is 1 plus 2 is equals to this 1 into -4, that is minus of 4, plus this 2 into 2, that is a plus of 4 divided by 3 is equals to, that is -4 plus 4, 0 divided by 3 is equals to 0. We get the value of x3 equals to 0, means this value, this x3 is equals to 0. We get the x coordinate of point C, that is 0. x3 is equals to 0. Similarly, we can find the value of y3, that y3 is equals to, by the section formula, M y2 plus N y1 divided by M plus N. By putting the values we get the value of y3, that is y3 is equals to the value of M is 1 into y2, that is y2 is minus of 8, put minus of 8 plus the value of N, the value of N is, that is 2, the value of y1 is 7 divided by that 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 into -8, that is minus of 8 plus 2 into 7, that is 14 divided by this 1 plus 2, that is 3 is equals to -8 plus 14, that is 6 plus of 6 divided by 3 is equals to 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is 2. This we get the value of y3 is equals to 2, and which is the coordinate of this y coordinate of C. Therefore here 0 2, we get the coordinate of C, that is a C0, 2. Now this is a C0, 2. The point D, this point D is a midpoint of this segment CB. Now by using the midpoint formula to this, we can easily find the value of x4 and y4. Now here point D is midpoint of CB. Point this D is midpoint of this CB segment CB, and C, we get the coordinate of C, that is C 0, 2, and coordinate of B, that is -4, and this is -8. We have to find the coordinate of this D, that is D, coordinate of D are x4, y4 is equals to question mark. By midpoint formula we can easily find the coordinate of point D. Therefore this x4 will be equals to an average of this x coordinate, that is 0 plus minus of 4 divided by 2, that is -4 by 2 is equals to -2, and the y4 can be calculated by average of this y coordinate, that is a 2 plus minus of 8 divided by 2, that is a 2 minus 8 divided by 2, 2 minus 8, that is minus of 6 divided by 2, that is 1, 3 times, that is equals to minus of 3. Now we get x4, the value of x4, that is minus of 2, and the value of this y4, that is minus of 3. Here we get the coordinate of this point D, and coordinate of D are -2, -3. Into solution of question number 11, that is if a -14 -10 b 6, -2 is given. Here a is given, that is -4 -10, and b is here 6, -2 is given. Find the coordinate of point which divide the segment AB into 4 equal parts. Means this AB, we have to divide this AB into 4 equal parts, that is this is first part. AD is equals to, that is DC is equals to CE is equals to EB. Means this is first part, second part, third part, and fourth part, and these 4 parts are equal. If we have to divide this segment AB into 4 equal parts, then we have to cut at 3 places. Therefore we are cutting at point D, at point C, and at point E. Now solution we get, that is AD is equals to DC is equals to CE is equals to EB. Let us suppose that all the parts are equal and consider it as a Y. Now on observing we see that this point C is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore we can easily find the coordinate of this point C by midpoint formula. Means here by midpoint formula, we get x3 is equals to this point C is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore here x1 and this x2, therefore x3 will be equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equals to the value of x1, that is minus of 14, plus the value of x2, that is x coordinate of point B, that is 6 divided by 2 is equals to minus 14 plus 6, that is minus of 8 divided by 2, that is 2 1 4 times, means is equals to minus of 4. We get the x3 is equals to minus of 4, which is the x coordinate of point C. Therefore this is minus of 4, comma. Now we have to find the y3, and C is the midpoint of AB. Therefore by midpoint formula y3 can be calculated as, that is y1 plus this y2 divided by 2 is equals to y1, this is minus of 10, y1 minus of 10 plus y2, that is minus of 2 divided by 2 is equals to this minus 10 plus minus of 2 divided by 2 is equals to minus 12 divided by 2 is equals to minus 6. We get the value of y3, which is the y coordinate of point C. Therefore y3 is equals to minus of 6. We get the coordinate of C, that is minus 4 and minus 6. On observing we see that this AD and DC, means this point D is the midpoint of segment this AC segment point D. The coordinate of point D can be calculated by midpoint formula. Therefore, x4 will be equals to, by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus this x3 divided by 2 is equals to the value of x1, that is minus of 14, plus the value of x3, that is minus of 4, divided by 2, that will be equals to minus 18 by 2 is equals to minus of 9. Therefore this is x4, means the x coordinate of point D, therefore this is minus of 9. Similarly, we can find the value of y4, that is y4 can be calculated as, that is y1 plus this y3 divided by this 2 is equals to, what is y1? y1 is here minus 10 plus the value of y3, that is here minus of 6 divided by 2, therefore it is minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2, that is minus 16 by 2 is equals to minus of 8. This is nothing but the value of this y4. Therefore this y4 is the y coordinate of point D. This is minus of 8. Now we have to find the coordinate of point E, that is x5 and y5. Therefore x5 can be calculated as, that is x3 plus x2 divided by 2, that is nothing but that is minus of 4 plus this 6 divided by 2, that is 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, and this y coordinate, that is y5, can be calculated as, that is the midpoint of this segment CB. Therefore that will be y3 plus this y2 divided by 2. By putting the values, y3, the value of y3 is, that is minus of 6 plus the value of y2, that is here minus of 2 divided by 2 is equals to this minus 8 divided by 2 is equals to this minus of 4. We get the coordinate x5, the value of x5 as 1, and the value of this y5, that is minus of 4. Do like, share and subscribe. Abhijit Sahna Math. Coming to question number 12. If A 2010, B 020 are given, find the coordinate of the points which segment AB into 5 congruent part. Means here is a segment AB. This segment AB is divided into 5 congruent parts, that is AC is equals to CD is equals to DE is equals to EF is equals to that FB, and let us consider that this is equals to X. Now this point C is dividing the segment AB. Now by taking the ratio, that is AC divided by this CB is equals to AC as it is divided by this CB is nothing but the addition of CD, DE, EF and FB, that is CD plus this DE plus EF plus FB is equals to the value of AC. We consider it as X, therefore put AC is equals to X divided by the CD is also equals to this X, DE is also equals to X, and EF and FB are also equals to X. Therefore by putting the values of CD, that is X, plus DE is also X, plus the EF is X and FB is also X, is equals to, that is X divided by 4 times of X. X and X is cancelled, and that is 1 by 4. Now this point C is dividing segment AB in the ratio 1:4. Therefore here is the ratio is, this is 1 and this is 4. Means this segment is it means that the point C is dividing the segment AB in the ratio 1:4. Therefore by section formula, we can easily find the value of this coordinate of C. Therefore this x1 will be equals to m x2. M, the value of m is here 1 and x2 is here 0. Therefore put a 0 plus n x1. The value of n is here 4. Therefore here 4 into x1. x1 is here 20. Therefore put a 20 here divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 4 is equals to, that is 1 into 0 0 plus 4 into 20, that is 80 divided by 1 plus 4, that is 5 is equals to 80 divided by 5, and 80 divided by 5 is nothing but 16. Therefore we get the value x1 is equals to 16. Now that is y1 will be equals to m into, that is 1 into y this 20, 1 into 20 plus n, that is 4 into y1, that is here 10, here 10 divided by 2 is equals to 1 into 20, that is 20 plus 4 into 10, that is 40 divided by this this is 1 plus 4, this is 5, so it is divided by 5, that is 20 plus 40, that is 60 divided by 5, that is 60 divided by 5 is nothing but 12. 5 is divisible 12 times. Now we get x1 y1, that is the value of the coordinate of C, that is 16. We get the coordinate of C, that is x1 y1, that is 16 comma the value of y1, that is 12. We get 16 comma 12. Now this point C is midpoint of this segment AD. C, which having coordinate 16 comma 12, is midpoint of segment, this segment AD, segment AD. A having coordinate, that is 20 comma 10, and D having coordinate, that is x2 comma y2. We have to find it out. Now we can easily find x2 and y2 by midpoint formula. C is a midpoint, therefore this 16 is equals to this 20 plus x2, 20 plus x2 divided by 2, that is equals to 2 into 16, that is 32 is equals to 20 plus x2, that is nothing but 32 minus 20 is equals to x2. This 32 minus 20, that is 12 is equals to x2. Therefore we get x2 is equals to 12. Similarly we can find the value, that is y2. We have to find y2. Therefore this 12 is equals to that is 10 plus y2, 10 plus y2 divided by 2, that is 12 into 2, that is 24 is equals to 10 plus y2. Now this 24 minus 10 is equals to y2. 24 minus 20, that is 14 is equals to y2. Therefore y2 is equals to 14. We get the value of x2 is equals to 12 and the value of y2 is equals to 14. We get the value of x2 is equals to 12. Therefore this x2 is 12 and the value of this y2 is 14. Now we get the value of this x2 and y2 on observing this segment CE, and D is a midpoint. Therefore D coordinate, that is 12 comma 14, is midpoint of segment CE. Therefore and the coordinate of C, that is 16 comma 12, and coordinate of E, that is x3 and y3. We have to find this x3 and y3. Therefore this 12 is equals to, by midpoint formula, this 12 is equals to this 16 plus x3 divided by 2. 16 plus x3 divided by 2. 2 into 12, that is 24 is equals to 16 plus x3. 24 minus this 16 is equals to x3. This 24 minus 16 is 8 is equals to x3. Therefore we get the value that is x3 is equals to 8. Similarly we can find the value of y3, that is this 14 is equals to 12 plus y3 divided by 2. This 14 into 2, that is 28 is equals to 12 plus y3. Now this 28 minus 12 is equals to y3. This 28 minus 12 is 16 is equals to y3. Therefore this y3 is equals to 16. The value of x3 we get here 8 and the value of y3, that is 16. Now we have to find x4 and y4. Now this F point is midpoint of segment EB. Therefore by midpoint formula is midpoint of segment this EB. The coordinate of F, that is x4 comma y4, and here the segment E, the coordinate of E, that is here 8 comma 16, and the coordinate of this point B, that is 0 comma 20. Now by midpoint formula we can easily find the coordinate of this F, that is the value of x4 and y4. Now this x4 can be calculated as midpoint of this 8 and 0, that is 8 plus 0 divided by 2 is equals to 8 by 2, that is 4, and this this y4 can be calculated as 16 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 36 divided by 2 is equals to 18. We get the value of x4 is equals to 4 and the value of y4, that is 18. That is, this is the value that is x4 is 4, this is 4 comma the y4 is equals to 18. In this way we calculated the values. Do like, share and subscribe Babujis Sahana Maths to get more videos.